Hi, I'm Ritu Mathur from DLF Gurgaon. Here I'm going to talk about my passion for plants. Now my balcony, it was full of plants, but recently I have shifted all plants indoors. Reason being, firstly, 90% of them are air purifying plants, and secondly, my balcony gets very less sunlight. So, to save them from peak winters, I have kept them indoors and decorated my whole house with air purifying plants. First, I am going to talk about my Erica palm. Now, this is one of my favorite plants. The reason behind it is it's best the air purifying plant, and secondly, it increases the serenity and aesthetic sense. It gives the serenity and aesthetic sense to the room. Now we move towards the second plant. This is the money plant, which is also called pothos plant. One of the best air purifying, and it is very easy to grow. Very less maintenance required for this plant. Now we move on to our another plant, which is called Song of India. It's again an air purifying plant, and next to it is poinsettia, which is also called holiday plant. Now it blossoms in October. Now, the reason behind calling it a holiday plant is it blossoms in October. It's one of the best decorating plant, air purifying plant, and it needs indirect sunlight for maintenance. Now, this is called the snake plant, as you all know. It's also called mother-in-law tongue plant. Now, it's all these benefits are it needs less water to survive. It can stay indoors for months. Low maintenance cost, a low maintenance plant, and one of the few plants that releases oxygen during the day and have high efficiency of absorbing carbon dioxide. So it helps with better air quality and health environment. Now we move on to the spider plant. Now the spider plant absorbs formaldehyde, ozone and hydrocarbon. So the common causes of indoor air pollution are cooking and heating. Air purifying plants absorbs formaldehyde emitted from cooking, smoking, cosmetic plants, etc., paints, etc. Now we move on to another room. In which again I have kept money plant, croton, and snake plant. Croton again is a very good air purifier and a beautiful beautiful home decoration. Similarly, again, now I have used these money plants as very small decorative pieces. Honey plant as a small decorative pieces, and this is again croton and poinsettia. Similarly, all my toilets are full of money plants. All the toilets are full of money plants, and they help in removing that pungent smell and keeps the environment fresh. According to one of the NASA studies, a house with an area of 1300 to 1800 square feet, we should have at least one leafy plant per 100 square feet. So I have kept around 30 plus plants, small and big, and I can feel the difference in pollution levels. Thanks for going through this video and hope you will like it, and you're going to press one like button for it. Thank you.